REDCOM's been in business since 1978. We're a woman-owned small business headquartered in upstate New York. And our primary focus is engineering and manufacturing of critical communications technology for tactical environments. We are a highly flexible organization that can very quickly adapt to evolving requirements more quickly than larger companies can. The Department of War is pushing for more innovation in the private sector. They've identified several critical technology areas that should be prioritized. REDCOM's capability set aligns with many of these critical technology areas, specifically in three distinct ways: advanced communications, experienced manufacturing, and next-gen cybersecurity.
Interoperability is our claim to fame. Our solutions bridge the gap between various networks and endpoints, including radios. REDCOM solutions are deployed and proven with the U.S. Army, the U.S. Air Force, and defense forces worldwide.
Welcome to REDCOM's Advanced Manufacturing Facility. We're located right here in Victor, New York, along the I-corridor. We have 48 years of experience in the OEM and the CM business. Our QMS program is certified to the AS9100 and the ISO 9001 certifications. Customer satisfaction to us is key, so we try to keep things simple. We keep your information secure, and everybody's successful.
Our cutting-edge cyber division, ZKX Solutions, is building the next generation of multi-factor authentication right here in Victor, New York. Our flagship product, ZKX Helix, provides an easy-to-use method of ensuring that only authorized users can access resources on authorized devices.
If you have a unique communications challenge or you're looking for a U.S. manufacturing partner, come talk to us. We would love to work with you.